Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I've got a SheGlam haul and I've got a lot of products to go through. So let's get started. Let's start off with the SheGlam Birthday Primer. Birthday Skin Primer, Smoothing Rose. So it says rose and I am actually terrified for everything with rose scent. Ooh, this is nice. There's a spoon. And the packaging is looking really luxe. SheGlam. So it is just like a mirror. I like that. So let's open this baby. Ooh. It doesn't smell like roses. Okay. We're off for a good start. So it is like a like a putty primer. It feels that way. If you scoop it, you get really a nice amount. Ooh. It spreads really nice, but I am very curious how it works on a oily skin. So now I wanted to order that new foundation, that's Balm foundation, and I thought that I put it in my basket, but I think I didn't because it isn't here and it wasn't in my order. So yeah, moving on to the full coverage concealer in Vanilla, and I think it is a little bit too light for me on this moment. Ooh, yeah, this is very light, so I regret that I didn't put some foundation on. Just buff that out. Okay, this brush is a little bit big for it, but it's okay. So this is really light on this moment, but I ordered it when I didn't have been baking in the sun. That is really light, but it really is easy to blend out and to make it a very light end result. So not that full coverage. But I think if I am using it, okay, I'm going to do it. I'm putting on some foundation, but I really like this one. But I bought also, this is really in a nice container. You click it over like that and you have the brush. And this is the brush that I saw on TikTok and on YouTube, Instagram. I saw it everywhere. So I want to test this one out and I really need foundation for that. I am using that brush now and I am very impressed. Normally you have to stipple with a brush, and this one I'm dragging. So weird. But so good and so satisfying. So this brush is really great. I really love this one. Oh my god. Can you see that? It looks flawless. It looks very natural and it was done in a few seconds. I'm really in love with this brush. Next one, that is the Liquid Contour. The Sun Sculpt Liquid Contour Golden Sun, to be precise. These are the packaging that I see all the time online. This is the applicator, and then they do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is what they do, and then okay, I like that it's so subtle and not too dark and very easy to blend. The next product that I picked up is the blush, the liquid blush. Okay, shake before you use it. I really like the packaging of it, but it's pink, so then it's good for me. Oh, that's very bright. Okay, I just put it there a little bit higher than there, or my face is just not that symmetrical as I thought that it would be. So this is in the color Rose Ritual. So, and it really goes with my top. So that's a plus. Ooh, I like these blushes. I need them all, I think, yes. I need all of these blushes, and just tap my nose a little bit because it's summertime and now we can do that. So the blush is a-okay. I really like it. So now my under eye is already beginning to crease a little. So that product is not dry enough for a full coverage product. So it is already crawling in my little creases. This brings me to my next product, and that is the SheGlam Light True Oil Control Primer. And it really is in a very nice packaging. It looks like this. It looks already like a mirror. And ooh, the inside is so pretty. So I have a little sponge and the oil control powder. And I'm just taking that and putting it underneath my eye. So that sponge is very cute, but I bought also these sponges. They come in a packaging and they have a little tear dot. So I am going to pick that up with that sponge and just place it. Oh, and this is much better than that little sponge that's, oh, yeah, that comes with it. So a little bit on top of my nose, but I can see it is pigmented. Okay, and I get oily over here. Okay, it really makes your skin look matte. But you can really make a nice cut. It makes my lines appear that much more. Okay, so that isn't cute. So maybe only using it on my nose, my forehead, chin, everywhere where I get greasy, but I don't think this eye area is my place to put it, because it looks very dry. Next product is Take a Hint Lip Tint. Let me see in what color. Birthday lips. So I just got everything for birthday, but it already was my birthday. So I've got the birthday lips. The packaging is already cute. It is light pink, and that's just something I like. Okay, so it's very natural. It's very creamy, but there is a weird smell and taste. Is it a tint? Yeah, it's a lip tint, not an oil. But I don't get this tint. It doesn't seem to... Okay, when you put it on, it is like milky, so you don't see what the heck you're doing. But give it a second just to dry, and then it's all coming together. So we're giving it a second and we're moving on to the next product. I ordered 4 color crushes. So these are eyeliners, to be precise. And they have the cutest colors. I really like it. You see, they have the pink color, yellow color, minty color, and a blue color. And I never dared dreaming of how creamy this product is. I really like this, but I don't know if I can use them today for this look, because I also have this SheGlam eyeshadow palette, the Carrying Cancer palettes. This is my water sign. Here in Holland it's kreeft, and that is a lobster. And in English it's cancer, which I dislike a little, cancer, but okay. That are personal reasons. And this is the inside of the palette. And there is a message. You are a softie carrying cancer. You wear your heart on your sleeve or your shell. And that's correct, I do. But sometimes this can expose you to getting hurt. Ouch. You may want to retreat, but the key to keeping balanced is facing the world and expressing your emotions. I don't have a problem with that. No. Okay, so I am that other kind of cancer, I think. The one that's in your face. And sharing my emotions is not a problem. Before I do my eye makeup, I have a 2-in-1 brow pencil. And this one we've got a liner pencil, and at that one we've got a liquid one. Okay, I am very curious how that is going to end up. It feels a little bit hard on your skin. Okay, so that glides on your skin, so that is really great. I never do my brows on camera, so this is a little bit weird for me. Color is just right for me, I would say. Okay, stop now. But we've got this pen. Okay, you know what? This is another color brown. This isn't taupe. Okay, and the color payoff is not that great. It's better on my hand than on my brow. So brows check. Not entirely how I would do it normally, but okay. So we're going back in with that Cancer palette. It's just that word. Okay, there are pinks, neutrals, peaches, a purple, and a charm. And charm is red. Red as my shell. Let's get started with the color Nature as a transition color. Just put that there in the crease area. Now I'm going in with the color Affection. Okay, that one is showing up a little bit more. Then we've got In the Mood, and In the Mood is purple, and purple is my favorite color, so I am very happy that it's in this palette. It is a very nice color, purple. Okay, it blends very well, but it is a very dry shadow. Kind of dry baked maybe. And there is a color that is called Imagination. It's very corally. So that color is really nice. It's very shiny, and if you saw my videos before, you know that I love shiny, but I love to blend as well. Just so make it a little bit softer at this edge. Just blend, blend, blend. It's a nice palette. There is color payoff, and I like it so far. It is not that I'm saying, wow, you need this palette. No, there are other palettes that I find better, but it is okay. So to try that red one, it's just for trying. Just to see what the color payoff is. And yes, there is color payoff, baby. In this palette are 2 natural colors, and I think if I did that and put a red underneath, that it would be so pretty. But on this moment, no. Okay, to get back at that lip, I noticed that it's still shining and the color payoff is there. It is very lightweight. But what I noticed, I just took a sip out of my bottle and it is transfer proof. The only thing that you transfer is that glossy feel. So in the beginning I thought, what is this? What is this product? What does it do? It really looks really funny, but it's truly a great product because it is on my lip color, but it doesn't give a color payoff if I kiss somebody. So this is really great, and it feels not like a gloss on my lip, but as a balm. Okay, I really like it. So let's do crazy and put that pink liner in the waterline. They are very creamy and very easy to apply. I don't know what the durability is, and I'm not going to find out today. Last but not least, I've got the Late Night Lover eyelashes by SheGlam, and they are something. They are big. Bigger than I am used to, I think, or that I normally put on my eyelids. Okay, I just have the feeling that I have a couple of caterpillars on my lashes, but they're stunning. No, I can't say I never bought makeup from SheGlam. I did, and that were liquid lipstick. I didn't like it, so I didn't make a review, and that's very stupid because I really like to give you my honest opinion, and with every product that I'm reviewing, I am giving my honest opinion. So this is the end of the SheGlam makeup haul 2022. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!